Serenity, comfort, style, extravagance, masses of space, and that's not all that property owners are looking at today. Welcome to Hot Property, where we give you a number of options when it comes to choosing your list of house hunting destinations. This week, we take you to the National Capital Region. When one talks about a home with a view, different things come to one's mind. If you fancy the idea of overlooking the Aravali Hills on one side and the city skyline on the other, then this residential complex just might interest you. The project has been named Raisina Residency and is being developed in a much sought after address in Gurgaon. The campus is lush and green, adorned with sculptures in almost every nook and corner. On the show, let's take a look at a 4-bedroom sample apartment.
Set along Gurgaon's most sought-after address, Golf Course Extension Road, Raisina Residency could soon be an address to envy. It's a residential complex being developed by Tata Housing. The project offers an unhindered view of the Aravali Hills on one end and the backdrop of the city skyline on the other. The project offers air-conditioned condominiums, penthouses, island bathrooms, an open infinity pool and an indoor temperature-controlled pool. Also on offer is a well-equipped clubhouse and gardens atop every tower. The campus is adorned with green landscaping and sculptures at various places. The project spreads across 11.7 acres of land. There will be a choice of 3 and 4 bedrooms air-conditioned apartments with areas between 2,319 square feet to 3,829 square feet. Some of the key features of the project include a vast compliant structure, over 85% of fluid landscaping, as well as pre-certified green homes under the guidance of Indian Green Building Council. The main door of the apartment opens into an entrance foyer. Take a few steps and you will find yourself in the living cum dining space of the property. The builders will provide imported marble flooring here. A part of the interiors, and their price is not included in the basic cost of the apartment. On one side, the living space opens into an attached balcony. The builders will provide a well-equipped modular kitchen here. The modular cabinets that you see are part of the standard amenities on offer. A granite counter, a stainless steel sink, and reverse osmosis water purifier system will also be part of the furnished kitchens on offer. Overlooking the kitchen area is the powder room. On the left is the first bedroom of the property, which can be used as the kids' bedroom. Quality emulsion paint on the walls. It comes with a separate dressing area. This room also comes with an attached bathroom. The jacuzzi that you see along with the granite counter and other chrome-plated fittings are all part of the standard amenities on offer. Out in the lobby, this is the storage room. This apartment also comes with 2 utility rooms. Both or one of these can be converted into a staff quarter. And this is the common bathroom of the property. It comes with similar specifications. This is the third bedroom of the property. It can be used as the guest bedroom. The builders will provide laminated wood on the floor, the wooden wardrobe that you... And this is the attached bathroom. It comes with a glass panel as well as chrome-plated fittings. If this looks like a home that suits your needs, then let's take a look at its specifications. You just saw a property which comes with a super built-up area of 3,800 square feet. It costs 5,250 rupees per square foot. Apart from the basic cost, there will be an extra charge of about 15 lakh rupees, which includes 2 mandatory parking spaces. If you'd like to buy a property here, you will need to pay 10% of the amount at the time of booking, another 10% in 2 months from the time of booking, and the remaining in quarterly installments of 7.5% each.